It's time for a quick look at the price of silver, which continues to be one of the best performing assets, broadly speaking, year to date here in 2025. And we're going to start this analysis off with sort of the preliminary analysis, which is purely looking at the price action. And then we're going to look at sort of the, what I call more of a smarter and a very necessary process of kind of really confirming all this on the price action side. So just quickly on the chart, year to date, the price of silver, I'm looking at the actual spot price of silver. It's basically had three consolidation phases year to date, each one of them lasting between 1 and 2 months. The most recent one lasting 1.5 months, and now we had a notable breakout on Friday, the 28th of November. The question, of course, is, will this move sustain to the upside? Before we look at the smarter tools, let me just quickly tell you that typically when you have the breakout, or at least year to date, the past two other samples we have here year to date, it doesn't mean that silver is going to continue rallying immediately at that rate. It might consolidate for honestly weeks, or at least a couple weeks or so at least could be more, and then it has another go. Whether that happens here or not, I don't know, but I can tell you that there's two major things that are in place here, I should say. That's very promising. So first of all, we're going to look at the SLV ETF, which is our tracker ETF for the price of silver. And you can see, obviously, silver remains in a very strong bullish trend. That's the green background color on your chart. So if I would have just bought this when it turned into the more lasting silver, the lasting green background, which actually happened all the way back in 2024, you can see silver since then is now up about 125%. So that's very, very notable. So the trend remains unshaken, very strongly in place. If we look at momentum, this is the more near-term stuff. You can see that we did receive a momentum buy signal on the 10th of November, and the price of silver since then up about, I think, 12%. Yeah, 12%. So momentum here too is favorable. So until and if we see some sort of strong bearish momentum reversal, or ultimately our momentum indicator turning bearish, silver to me looks like the path of least resistance is to the upside for now.
If this video helped you, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, you give us a thumbs up like, and if you want to see this approach in action, you will want to join us in our Set the Market morning call, which happens at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, Monday through Thursday. Make sure you join us for that in the link down below. Again, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.